Hello everyone, welcome to Code to Work channel. This is the second video of the HTML playlist. In this video, we are going to see which text editor we will be installing and which text editor we will be working throughout this course. So let's begin. So basically, in this playlist, throughout this playlist, we will be using VS Code. So let's install the VS Code. So how we will install the VS Code, we will see. So VS Code, we will write in the text editor VS Code download, and we will download the Visual Studio Code. So you can accordingly to your system. If you are in Windows, you can download it for Windows. If you are in Mac, you can download for Mac. And if you are using Linux, so you can download in the Linux. So I am in the Windows, so I will be downloading for Windows. So you can so here the downloader will run, and it will set up all the things for us. So we have to wait for some minute. So let's wait. So I have already downloaded it, but you can I for showing you I am download it again. So let's wait. So it has finished. Now we'll set up the VS Code in our system. So I will open it, and this type of interface will be opened in front of you. So you can read all these things, and then I can accept the agreement and click on next button. Then you can and read out all these things and add open with code action and open to register code, add to path. You can check out all the things, and also you can do create a desktop button. Then you can click next, and after this you can click on install button, and I have already installed it, so I will not click on it, and you can click on the install button, so it will install the VS Code in your system. So I will exit it, and likewise you can install the VS Code in your system. Now after this after coming to it, you can also install another text editor like Atom is another text editor you can install, like Atom download. So you can download Atom from here. So you can download the Atom from here, free download. You can download Atom or any other text editor like Sublime Text is another text editor which you can also download. Download Sublime Text. From here you can download the Sublime Text. So you can download these from the official website of these text editors. So you can read all the things, and you can download from clicking on here the download button. So these are some of the text editors which you can download for coding in the HTML. But we are using I will be using the VS Code in this playlist. So thank you for watching this video, and please like, comment and subscribe for more. Thank you.